In this video, I'm going to show you how to compute the totals in the contingency table by doing this practice problem on the left. And it's a pretty straightforward process. So let's go ahead and bring the table over to the right side. And to compute the totals means to do exactly what it sounds like. To find the total of the first row, we're going to be adding these two entries. So the answer is 18. To find the total number of students that attended middle school, we add those two numbers, and so on. To find the total number of students in public school, we add these three numbers. And to find the total number of students in private school, we add these three numbers. Now to find this total, we can either add these two numbers or these three numbers. 27 plus 26 is 53, and 18 plus 19 is 37, and 37 plus 16 is also 53. So it looks like we got it right. Now, to get the full credit, we need to transfer it over. So 27, 26, 53, 18, 16, and 19. We got the full credit. If you have any questions, let me know. If you want to try a similar question, then look for this link in the description of the video.